go juice. May the light shine upon my engine. Alright guys, so I guess I'm gonna slow it down here and kind of walk you guys through everything that has been going on within these last clips that y'all have been watching. So y'all may notice most of it is already back together. Intake manifold is done, throttle body is done, cold side is done, all the vacuum lines are ran, AC compressor's done, power steering's done, the belts are done. The wiring is all done over here. These are just the plugs for the fuel injectors, which those I don't have because they're off getting cleaned. The fuel rails in the back. We walk over to this side. Manifolds all bolted up. Turbo's done. Hot side is done. Vacuum lines are done for the boost controller. Wastegates are all hooked up. All the wiring's done over here. So we're getting close. Definitely getting really close. If we walk over here to the back of the car, you guys will see that our parts are pretty much almost out. So this here is for the front bumper. This is my fuel rail. These are my brackets for my radiator, coolant hose, coolant coupler, turbo filter. I need to clean this. And oh man, sorry. And just over there on that side, my clutch fan and the fan blade are sitting there. I just wanted to slow it down just to kind of walk you guys through everything. So for those who may not know what exactly is going on, that's what's happening. So I just got a little bit more to go. I'm gonna go. Oh, and actually the downpipe, I forgot. Also need an exhaust. That's the downpipe. That's the other side of the downpipe. So I'm gonna put that on next, and then after that I'll do the coolant system with the coolant hoses, and finally will be the whole front end of the car. I just read one of y'all's comments that says do more vlog style videos. Well, here's a vlog. After working on the car all day. Papa, you taking the camera? After working on the car all day, you'll see it back there. Then I got little man right here with me. Baby, you're blocking the lens. You can't cover it. Yeah. No, you're blocking it. Here, I'll put it your height. See, like that. This would be me vlogging. This is my daily vlogs. No, but I got it. Here, hold on, Papa, hold on. So I got this for you guys. I got the downpipe installed. I got the exhaust all the way. So the downpipe and the exhaust is all done. I got the cash can all hooked up. I just put the cold cover on. There's not bolted in, but it's just on there just so you guys can see what it looks like. So pretty much now the only thing left is the cooling system, which is just, you know, the clutch fan, the blade, the shroud, the cover thing, and then the coolant lines, and that's pretty much it. Y'all didn't think I was gonna leave it just like that. There she is. She is done. Whoa, these guys are always fighting. All right, guys, so here we go. My car is back to normal. So that's how you put a Supra together in about 10 minutes. So y'all check this out. So you guys remember that pile of stuff that was in the back, right? There you go, all clear. Just a speaker in my nitrous bottle. Now it's back to where it's supposed to be. There you go, you guys. So basically the only thing that I need to fire it up are the injectors. See, right now I have Bluetooth injectors. Those are the new type of injectors. I'm not sure you guys ever heard about them. Bluetooth injectors, you guys, that's the way to go. But that's it, you guys. You guys saw me put my car back together in about a week, or maybe 10-15 minutes for you guys. I was working on this thing every single day after work, all the way up to midnight, maybe sometimes past midnight. I was really trying to fix it before this weekend. Today's Friday, so you guys might be watching this video maybe tomorrow or Sunday. I sent off the injectors to get cleaned, so I'm just waiting for the injectors to come back. I'm gonna order some fuel filters, get my oil, and crank this baby up. I'm gonna make sure and bring you guys along for that. I'll make sure and record everything whenever I crank it up, and you know, when I take it out for the first drive, everything. You guys are gonna come for it all, don't worry. So yeah, that's my baby, you guys. For all those new subscribers, this is my Supra. That's my wife's. For those people who don't believe me, that's hers. This is my baby right here.